a lot of people are asking, well, what is the primary difference between ChatGPT Work and ChatGPT Chat? And so far, I've only been able to identify 5 things that ChatGPT Work can do that ChatGPT can't do. Everything else, ChatGPT can do it too. Number 1, access the local files on your device. With ChatGPT, you have to upload the files. And so there's a limit to how many you can upload, 20 on the Plus plan per message, and I believe 40 on the Pro plan per message. But with ChatGPT Work, you can point it at a folder with hundreds and it can read through all of them if that's something you want to do, which I don't recommend because it's going to burn through your credits just reading. And so there's definitely advantages to that if you're doing deep research and other things like that. The second thing that Work can do that Chat can't is directly access and control desktop apps on your computer. ChatGPT Work has the ability to access the desktop applications on your Mac or on your Windows computer and use it through computer use. ChatGPT doesn't have computer use in that sense. The third thing that Work can do is directly control a built-in desktop browser. Work can take control of Chrome and use it to surf the web, visit websites, and do different things on my behalf. ChatGPT can search the web, but it can't use my built-in Chrome browser. The fourth thing that ChatGPT Work can do is create, host, publish, and manage ChatGPT Sites. Now, if you don't know what ChatGPT Sites is, I have a video about it right here, but ChatGPT Sites is so much more than what I was able to explain in that video or in this one. I probably need to do another video, but you can replace entire pieces of software, entire web applications for your company, your business, or your entrepreneurship venture right there inside of ChatGPT. You can build landing pages, you can collect data, people can upload content to send to you. You can have authorization where people sign in with their ChatGPT accounts. There's just so much you can do with that. You need to check out that feature. You need to watch that video ASAP if you haven't. It's included with your plan. And the last thing that ChatGPT Work can do that ChatGPT can't do is run a local conversation where the files and the outputs remain on your machine. Now, here's some things that ChatGPT can do that a lot of people have seemed to have forgotten about, which make it very similar to Work, just as valuable. So number 1, web research, deep research, file analysis, image generation, create downloadable documents, spreadsheets, presentations, charts, PDFs, use connected apps, taking actions through supported connected apps, schedule reminders and monitoring, multi-step reasoning, agentic website tasks, writing, coding, analysis, brainstorming, working inside ChatGPT projects, voice conversations, especially with the new GPT Live model, producing multiple deliverables. ChatGPT creates better images with Image 2.0. I don't think that's available in the desktop app. I think they use version 1.0. And last but not least, we have ChatGPT skills. If you have anything, any work you're doing that you want to automate and you don't want to have to continually do it on a repetitive basis, or you have a certain way of getting a good result, you can turn it into a skill, upload it right here to ChatGPT. You can even upload your Claude skills directly and start using them inside of ChatGPT without work. So when you look at the offering that OpenAI is giving their users, it is so much more generous because all of my ChatGPT usage is on a separate meter that's practically unlimited. There's no way I'm going to send 3,000 messages in a week. I'm not going to touch that limit. And so I can do so much of the work that needs to be done using GPT 5.6 Soul on high, and then bring that over to ChatGPT Work or even Codex and finish it out. And if you're a Claude user, you're going to try to make the correlation between Cowork and Claude Code. But the biggest difference you have to remember is that OpenAI places your chat usage on a separate meter. With every other AI company, your chat and your work is on the same meter. So I don't have the benefit of starting in chat and then moving over to work. So even if Claude, Grok, or some other platform is your primary AI, you should still at least have the $20 ChatGPT plan, because you can use ChatGPT messages to get so much of the grunt work done up front and then hand that off to Claude Code or whatever other platform you're using to take the project across the finish line. But out of everything I mentioned, the one thing I want you to walk away with is this: The primary difference between ChatGPT Work and regular ChatGPT is Work is able to work with your machine, and that's as simple as it gets, whereas ChatGPT is cloud-based. But everything that Work can do, just about, ChatGPT can do as well, besides run your local desktop apps, use your built-in browser, read your file system, and obviously create ChatGPT Sites. And you do need to check that video out. If you got value out of the video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also if you're on mobile, be certain that you hype the video so it reaches more people. I appreciate you, and as always, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.